Welcome to HiTEAM, the most advanced operating platform ever designed for product and engineering. Once you've registered and confirmed your email, you'll find yourself right here. Enter your organization's name and choose the suitable type: startup for simple setups or scaled agile for complex interactions. Click to create and move to step 2. Let's create all the teams you need for your end-to-end product journey, from product, Scrum teams, marketing, onboarding, to support. Voila! Your entire team setup is ready. Let's look at one of the Scrum team. Click on the front-end team, and what you'll see is a multi-track board. This is where your teams manage defects, enhancements, and new features all in one place. For creating new stories, you've got options like bulk updates or importing existing stories. Export your stories from other tools, then click Import here. Paste the stories. Once you hit Import, the calibration engine steps in, projecting initial expected dates based on the velocity provided. You can prioritize here or use visual planning to rearrange stories. Every priority shift triggers recalibration, updating projected dates for affected stories. Change the size of a story, and witness the dates and status adjust automatically. Isn't it fascinating? Not just that, if something delayed, we know exactly why it happened. Imagine the effort if done manually across hundreds of stories with global teams. It's nearly impossible. Now, your teams simply need to create stories, prioritize, and start delivering them. HiTEAM takes care of everything else. When it comes to distributed teams, HiTEAM has you covered. Invite users, and the real-time visibility begins. Every completion, every update is a reason to celebrate, no matter the distance. It's like being in the same room, working together, even when you're miles apart. HiTEAM offers a range of features to support the journey, including managing the QA and release process, Knowledge Hub to capture collective wisdom of your teams, and Risk Track to monitor risks and impediments. Next up, let's explore how HiTEAM helps manage roadmaps across multiple Scrum teams. Go to the product board and start with defining releases. For example, create version 1.0 or version 2.0, set them up. Then, delve into cross-team roadmaps. Begin with a new product feature. Assign team stories to each product feature and to multiple teams. And the magic unfolds. The calibration engine kicks in, projecting dates based on individual team velocities. Prioritize the product features, and our engine aligns priorities across all teams. Just imagine doing this manually. It would take weeks to align everything. But with HiTEAM, every team finds their backlog up to date and aligned with the roadmap. We're just scratching the surface. HiTEAM manages the entire product and engineering lifecycle, from idea to onboarding and supporting customers and users. Scale your teams without the complexity. That's the HiTEAM promise. The best way to experience it: invite one of your team to give it a try for a month. Dive into a new era of collaboration and excellence with HiTEAM. Let's get started.